Introducing from the red corner, representing Aurora Hill Proper Barangay, we have Trickster Floresca. And from the blue corner, representing Pines National High School, we have Charles Pasqua. This is under the youth boys category. 3 rounds of 3 minutes per round. Pakitang inyo na yung tabak sa niya. Hello, yung sa longganisa, huwag kalimutan. Coaches, trabaho ng coach yan. Alagaan mo yung boxer mo. Para hindi tayo gabihin dito.